Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with Doug.
こんにちは。今日は牛のしゃぶしゃぶを作ります。
Okay, let's have her prepare the ingredients. Cut the stem of shungiku into 3-inch pieces. Slice the Welsh onion diagonally into 1/4-inch slices. Chop the mizuna into 3 pieces and cut off the root part. Chop off the stem of shiitake mushroom. Make a cross-shaped cut on the cap of the mushroom. Tear enoki mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Chop the long green onions into fine pieces. Crush the clove of garlic and chop it into fine pieces. Grate the daikon radish to add to ponzu sauce. Okay, let's make ponzu sauce. Cut the lime in half and use a lemon squeezer to get fresh lime juice. Dilute lime juice with an equal amount of soy sauce. Grated daikon and chopped long green onions are added to the sauce later. Next, let's make sesame sauce. Add soy sauce to white sesame paste and mix well. While mixing, add fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, water, and chopped fine garlic pieces. Okay, let's cook the dried kuzu starch noodles. Boil the kuzu noodles for 5 or 6 minutes and soak them in cold water. When they cool down, drain well with a sieve basket. Let's prepare soup for shabu-shabu. The kombu kelp has been soaked in water about a half an hour to get dashi soup. Transfer the kombu and dashi soup to an earthen pot and add sake and salt. While heating the soup, serve ponzu sauce in a small bowl and add the grated daikon and chopped long green onions. When the soup starts simmering, take out the kombu kelp. That is it for the preparations. Let's enjoy shabu-shabu. Submerge a thin slice of beef in boiling water and swish it back and forth several times. When the color of beef is still pink, dip it into your favorite sauce. After the soup gets enhanced by cooking beef, add the vegetables and mushrooms a little at a time. Ponzu with grated daikon is essential to taste shabu-shabu. You will also enjoy the rich taste of sesame sauce. Thoroughly skim off the scum and fat and let's make zosui with the soup from shabu-shabu. Add hot steamed rice, salt, and soy sauce. Crack the egg in a bowl and beat it well. Add the beaten egg little by little. Finally, add the chopped long green onions. This zosui gets the excellent soup from shabu-shabu and I bet you enjoy the taste. It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck in the kitchen.
おいしい。